Mintdahlia Toys. Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint and today I have something super special to do with you. We are going to make a tutorial of a LOL surprise doll, one LOL surprise ball from the new Little Sister series, and we are going to make it in a miniature form. It's going to be super small and super cute. We are going to make one LOL surprise doll for our own LOL surprise. Let's start with the tutorial really fast. I can't wait. Well guys, for this tutorial we are gonna use these pictures that I have here. We are also going to need beads similar to these ones. We only need one size. I made this image or picture myself. You can download the picture if you want. I will leave the link in the description box. Also, I will leave the link so that you can download the image for your own doll in one of the comments. So it's time to start with the tutorial, okay? Follow me. The very first thing we are gonna use is tape. We are going to take a small piece of tape. We are gonna use the tape on the picture because we want to protect and make the picture or paper last longer. And when we have everything covered, it is time to cut the box. Take your time and be really careful. When we have everything cut, we just need to start forming the box like this, following the lines. And at the end, we just need to close the box with a little bit of tape to one side and also a little bit of tape to the bottom. You can also leave the top part open so you can put all your balls inside the box. Or if you want to make it a little bit more realistic, you can cut this shape that we have here as the original box. It's up to you. You should end up with something like this. Super cute, I love it. You can open your box and close it really easy. You can cut it here as well if you like. Now it's time to use the beads. We need to cut the labels. This one is going to be the top part of the ball. This is the one that is going to be on top of the other one that we are gonna do right now. And this one is really plain because this is the label that is going to cover the ball so you can see the bead. We need to cut each label like this. Don't forget to cut the top and the bottom as well. You should have something like this. We are doing this type of cuts. That way when we glue the label to the bead, you can form a ball with the label. We cut the excess and we apply the second layer or label. In order to glue the paper, I'm just using white school glue. We glue the second layer all around the bead. You don't want to cover the doll. Make sure the doll is always on front. We close it really tight. We make everything all over again 6 times or more, and you should have something like this. Super cute, I love it. The only thing left is to add all the surprises to the box, and we are so ready to go. And these dolls are the perfect size for our beautiful LOL surprises. And now they have their own LOL surprise and miniature ball. And well guys, this is the final result. We have the beautiful box, we have a little surprises for our beautiful LOL surprise dolls. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make this tutorial again, explaining how to make a miniature doll inside the miniature ball. That will be super fun to do. But let me know in the comments if that's something that you want to watch next. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm going to be posting videos every day if possible. I'm going to have unboxing, doll houses, tutorials. It's going to be super fun. Don't forget that you are awesome. I will see you soon. Mint out. Bye bye.